Now we're going to add a new level of complexity to our if statements. So we know that the if statements allow our robot to make a decision. What if I want my robot to make a decision or more than one decision? So for example, if I'm touching this brown section here, I want to stop. If I'm not touching the brown section, I want to keep driving. So to do that, you can either have, let's say, two if statements. So I could, for example, grab if color is, let's just say, color ID 7, I believe that's brown. I could do that, and then I can do like a if color is not 7, or what's even easier is using an else statement. So if I grab this little plus button, now I can say, all right, if the color is 7, do this. If the color isn't 7, or else, do this. So I could say we're going to stop if we touch brown, which is 7, or we're going to drive if we don't. Now, I think we're going to have an issue if we try this, though. Let's see. That's not working. We saw 7, the ID popped up, but it didn't stop. And the reason is this is only happening the instant my program begins. We want this to be happening over and over and over again. I want my robot constantly looking for the brown color so that way it'll react at any point in time, not just the moment I press this play button. In our control flow, we know about repeat loops. So we could repeat something for a certain number of times. There's another type of repeat loop called a repeat forever. This means that for the length of the program, as long as the program's running, this is what my robot's going to be doing. It's going to be looking for brown to react as I program. Let's see if it works now. Perfect. So while it was driving, it's constantly, look, even now it's still looking for brown and it's reacting as I programmed. Now this is really handy while you're doing some type of line trace. So in a line trace like this, anytime my robot color sensor goes over the white, I want to steer left. Anytime it goes over the blue, I want to steer right. So that way the robot will zigzag back and forth, white, blue, as it traces around this ellipse. I have that in my forever loop. In my color ID 2, so that's my blue, I'm steering right, positive, else steering left, negative. Let's give this a try. You can see that the robot's zigzagging between right here, right, white, blue, right, blue, white, blue, as it's going all the way around forever, or at least until it gets to the bullseye. So you can use your forever loops and your logic statements to enable much more advanced autonomous control with your robots.